What's going on YouTube? This is BX718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Lenovo Legion M600s wireless gaming mouse. Alright, so I went ahead and copped this mouse for my Lenovo Legion Slim 7 that I have, the all AMD Vantage Edition. I originally got the M300 with it, which is the lower end corded version, but after a while, it got kind of in the way, the cord got in the way. And typically I don't like buying laptops with corded mice, so I decided to upgrade it to this bad boy right here. All right, so I'm going to show off the box. We're going to unbox it, see what's inside, show off the mouse, and conclude the video. All right, so starting off, we have the M600s wireless gaming mouse here on the front. It says right here that it is, let's take a look, zoom in. All right, it says right here that it is 69 grams, ultra lightweight mouse, up to 19,000 DPI, and has advanced optical micro switch. All right. Okay, on this side, it has the Legion logo. Okay, on the back, we have a little bit more information. We have the Lenovo Legion M600s wireless gaming mouse, Lenovo badge, and here's some features: symmetrical design optimized for claw and fingertip grips, advanced optical micro switch with 80 million lifespan, rapid charging, 10 minutes charging for 10 hours of use, and total control with the Legion accessory central application. All right. Then you have some more features right here. It does 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth 5.0, or you can use it wired. It has an optical PAW3370 sensor, up to 19,000 DPI on the resolution, on-the-fly DPI, yes, lighting, 16.8 million RGB on logo, USB report rate up to 1,000 hertz, wired or 2.4 gigahertz, 6 programmable buttons, let's see, optical micro switch, 80 million lifespan, charging, 2-hour charging to full by USB-C, battery life up to 70 hours, RGB lights off, the dimensions, the weight, which is 69 grams, which excludes the USB-A receiver. Cable length is 1.8 meters, which is 5.9 feet. And it has the requirement is PC with USB-A port, and supported OS is Windows 10 and later. Okay. All right. On the bottom, there's a little breakout window there for showcasing the mouse. We're going to break that open in a second. On the top, this is what you have. On the side, you have all of your registration information. I'm not going to show, and then you have all this regulatory information here. All right. So let's go ahead and open up this part. All right. As you can see, there's a blowout of the mouse. It says lighter, smoother, faster wireless gaming. That's pretty cool. And here it showcases the actual mouse itself. Okay. So we want to get inside. So at the top, there is a Lenovo sticker that we're going to cut. All right. I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, it opens up here. All right. So what we're first greeted with is the cord. It's the charging cord. All right. USB Type-C on one end that goes into the PC. USB Type-C goes into the mouse. USB Type-A goes into the PC. All right. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, so we have the instruction manual right here that I'm never going to use. If we move that out the way, we have a service support warranty instructions there. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is how we open it. All right, it pulls out like this. Okay, there it is right here. Okay, here's the mouse. Wow, it is extremely lightweight, and it's a full mouse too. Here is the Legion logo right here that lights up, which is 16 million plus lights, RGB lights. Okay, here's your scroll wheel. Here's your right and left clicks on the side. Your back and forward buttons there. Okay, on the bottom, the USB receivers right here, the optical sensors right here. Then you have a switch right here. This is the switch for you to go from, let's see, it says the receiver, Bluetooth, or turn it off. So right now it's off. Here's a button right here. I'm not sure what this button's for. Let me get you. All right. I'm not sure what this button's for, but this is a DPI switch button right here. And here is the rubber feet here at the top and at the bottom. Man, I thought this was going to be much heavier than what it looked like, but I guess gram-wise it was light. But yeah, it feels. I mean, if I knew it was this light, I probably would have gotten it sooner. That's the only reason why I got the M300, because I wanted a lightweight mouse to bring around with me. Now, granted, this has a much bigger footprint than the M300, but man, it feels almost lighter than that one. Hopefully, it holds up. I mean, everything feels all plastic. There's nothing metal, aluminum, no alloy, metal alloys, anything on it. So, okay. All right, up here. Interesting. Look, it sticks. What's going on? That's pretty interesting. And here you have, it looks like an extension block. It's type A over here, and you have type C on the back. All right, and then it says Legion right here. Interesting. And that's about it. That's all you get with it. Yeah, it feels really light, and I'm really glad that I got it now that it's so light. Another concern was this colorway matches the Lenovo Legion 7 Gen 7. It doesn't really match the Lenovo Legion Slim 7 Gen 7, but you can definitely get away with it. Definitely get away with it. All right, no buttons on the right side. So, all right, and that's it. Thank you for watching. This is the unboxing of the Lenovo Legion M600s wireless gaming mouse. See you in the next video. Peace.